Chris is like, ooh.
Double kill. Back of the head, Sal. That's when you're swinging wild, bro. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. You're gonna let him come.
Can you not walk from my shit? Shit is dick. I felt that. Oh shit! Fuck! Yeah, Sam!
Good hit.
Judge.
No, I always try 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. You got 10 seconds. Reaction no.
Twist it. Almost.
Shit!
Oh!
Bring it up.
Oh!
Oh,
Yeah, I was all fucking.
Where it used to be when he came from the welterweight division. There's not really a lot of steam for Conor McGregor to go in there, win, and get all the credit for it.
Break!
You know, taking big hits. Cerrone has been known to like fall under the powerful punches. You know, RDA was able to fold him down.
You got it in?
Come stomp on your back.
No. Can I get my food?
Over November, when
I mean, like, no. Where? Come on, put your hood up. They're about to hit you. Oh, yeah!
I'm going to eat it.
Why?
No, don't worry about it. Give me.
on the side.
One round, dickhead.
Sounds not even sweating.
Yeah, now you feel scared.
Come on, dude.
You paying him, why do you stop?
Joe.
Oh my god.
Yeah, there you go.